How to connect to Wi-Fi on Southwest Airlines. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can connect to Wi-Fi on Southwest Airlines. So after logging into your account, just like I have done here, and you are on your flight, that is you've checked in, to check in, just scroll down to the flight section page, which is this box here, and then click on the check-in option that you can see there, and then enter in your confirmation number, your first name and last name. And then once you've checked in and you're on the flights, the next thing that you have to do is to go to your desktop, and then once you're on your desktop, go to your Wi-Fi settings, which is often located by the lower right corner of the screen, and then click on your Wi-Fi. So after clicking on your Wi-Fi, you can see the Wi-Fi that you are connected to. And next thing would be for you to put on your airplane mode. All right, so after putting on your airplane mode, go back to your Wi-Fi. You can try putting it off first of all, and then by the time you put it off, you would see it will be turned off, and then put it on again. Then after putting it on, you would see Southwest Airlines displayed amongst the Wi-Fi available. All right, you would see Southwest Airlines Wi-Fi. So just click on it and connect. And then after clicking on it, you'll be referred to your Chrome browser, where you'll be asked to have a full access to the Wi-Fi. All right, so just follow through this process and you are good to go. So this is how you can connect to Southwest Airlines Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching and have a good day.